What is up, guys? Ivan here, coming at you today on behalf of getivan.com, and today I want to talk to you guys about a small course product that I made for my do-it-yourself SEO guide called The Only Two SEO Ranking Factors. So in this section of my course, this occurs in the beginning of my course where I discuss, as you can guess, the only two major SEO ranking factors. Now, of course, there are dozens and dozens and dozens of independent ranking factors, but these are I would say, the core two that you could really kind of fit all of those other ranking factors underneath. And when you can simplify it in this way, it really helps you to keep things simple. So that's pretty much it. In the micro guide, I guess you could call it, I have a couple of paragraphs on each of those core ranking factors, and then I have a bit of an extensive video discussing those ranking factors and really going into detail and explaining why those are basically the parent ranking factors. So if you want to learn more, check out the link below this video, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.